Any New Zealanders, you need to stand right now. This is your moment. Hillsong conference and saying